What's going on? This is Markie and welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. There will also be a free course in the description as well. The course is free, but if you want the certification in hand, it would then cost. All the while AI is running rampant with AI integration into the job force, there is still a growing demand for stand-up, sit-down forklift operators. Forklift certification is still in high demand in 2025 and is considered essential for employment in logistic warehousing and other material moving industries. The demand for these operators is fueled by continued growth in e-commerce and warehousing. So being certified helps along the way when it comes to the strong, ongoing emphasis on workplace safety and regulatory compliance. Continued industry growth, the expansion of warehousing, e-commerce, and distribution centers have created a consistent need for certified skilled material moving machine operators. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects thousands of annual job openings in this field over the next decade. OSHA mandates that all forklift operators be certified. For employers, hiring certified operators is a fundamental way to ensure regulatory compliance and avoid fines and legal issues. Certification demonstrates a candidate's commitment to safety procedures, which reduce the risk of accidents and injuries. Certified forklift operators often command higher wages than uncertified workers. The certification shows employers that a candidate is serious about the role and has the necessary skills. Yes, warehouses are starting to use advanced technology like self-driving forklifts. This has not eliminated the need for human operators. The role is also evolving, not disappearing. In many cases, it now requires new skill related to technology. Forklift operators are now working alongside automation. Many operators now need to know how to work safely and effectively alongside robotic equipment. Learn to start adapting to new technology in regards to forklift operator. Modern warehouses feature high-tech and specialized equipment, requiring operators to continuously update their skills through upskilling and reskilling. Experienced forklift operators may transition into supervisory, training, or management positions, leveraging the operational knowledge. To remain competitive in this field of work, candidates should do more than just get basic certification. Learn specialized skills by gaining experience with different types of lifts, such as narrow aisles or stand-up forklifts, to increase versatility. Also prioritize a good record, maintain a clean safety record to be a more attractive candidate. Seek additional certifications by considering relevant certifications in supply chain management or logistics. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Also have a website up and running, which is also Markie online certification course. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done, and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails that'll be floating around at the end. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie, and I'll see you in the future.